Iqoo 9 Pro. So this mobile coming with a 6.78 inches of a super big, and it is a super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate LTPO2 display, which means it can shift from 1Hz to 120Hz based on your content, and it will also a 1600 nits peak brightness display. And this display is a curved display which was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, so you can get a toughest protection in the world. And when we talk about the processor, this mobile is coming with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor with a highest vapor chamber, that means cooling system in the mobiles, which coming with the 8 Gen 1 mobile processor. This processor is a 4nm based octa-core gaming processor. When we talk about the 5G, yeah, this mobile is coming with the actual 14 bands of 5G. Yes, 14 bands. When we talk about the major important thing in this mobile is a camera section. Yes, this is the monstrous camera setup this mobile has. This mobile is coming with a triple camera setup by the back side, where we can find 50 megapixels of main wide angle a gimbal stabilization camera. Even though this is not just a gimbal stabilization camera, this is the first mobile which is coming with the Samsung's GN9 sensor. Yes, we can expect a great quality pictures and videos from this mobile. And this mobile is also coming with a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, which also supports fisheye view, so very wide angle photos. And this mobile is also comes with a third triple camera, that is a 16 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera, so total of 3 cameras. And this mobile can shoot up to 8K 30 fps and 8K 24 and 4K 120 fps videos from the back side. When we talk about the front facing selfie camera, yeah, this mobile is coming with a 16 megapixels of front facing wide angle selfie camera, which is strictly restricted to 1080p 60 fps. Yes. And when we talk about the major huge improvement from the older generation to this mobile, that is battery. Yes, this mobile is coming with a 4700 milliamperes of huge battery. Even though this mobile is having a huge battery, it supports 120 watts of super fast wide charge. Yeah, what's the biggest thing is that you will also get a 120 watt fast charger brick and cable, and also a 3.5 to type C converter also included in the box with this mobile. So this is a major important thing, that you are getting a cable and charger included in the box with this mobile. So that means you don't have to buy a separate charger to power this mobile. And it's not enough, this mobile does not support only 120 watts of fast wide charge. Even though it's having a 120 watt wide charge, it also supports 50 watts of fast wireless charge, so you can charge your mobile from 0 to 100 in just 48 or 47 minutes. And this mobile also supports reverse wireless charge up to 4.5, almost 5 watts. So great huge improvement from the older generation to this generation mobile. And this mobile is coming with a total metal and glass body. This mobile comes with a glass back and glass front and metal frame, so we can expect a toughest quality from this mobile, great quality from this mobile. And this mobile also available in 2 variants right now. Those are 8GB RAM to 56GB internal storage, and also 12GB RAM to 56GB internal storage variants. And these are UFS 3.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5 RAM types. And when we talk about the features, like this mobile coming with the in-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner Gen 2. Normally the mobiles comes with just this size of fingerprint scanner at the front side, but this mobile is coming with a rectangular fingerprint scanner, so you can touch your mobile at any place in that box region. So it's a big in-display fingerprint scanner, we can say that. This is the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner Gen 2, so quick and fast. This mobile is also having multimedia features like stereo speakers, loudspeakers, and this mobile doesn't come with a 3.5mm jack. Yes. And this mobile does not comes with any IP68 water and dust resistance, so I thought that's the only drawback of this mobile. So yeah, and this mobile is coming with the Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 features also. This mobile comes with the out of the box with the Honored version 12 with FunTouch OS 12 out of the box, so you don't need to upgrade to the latest version. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile is coming with a complete protection. This mobile with this mobile you will also get a charger, 120 watt charger, and type C to type C cable, and also a clear and also a BMW skinned pouch, plastic pouch, polycarbonate pouch. So these are the things that you will get along with this mobile in the box. So yeah, great. And when we talk about the actual thing, that is pricing, yeah, this mobile was priced at for the 8 GB RAM 128 GB internal 8 GB RAM 256 GB internal storage variant was priced at 64,999, almost 65,000 rupees, and 12 GB RAM 256 GB internal storage variant was priced at 69,999, almost 70,000 rupees. That's it for the mobile. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want to buy the mobile, go to the description in the box and click that link and buy it from there, and make me also buy one mobile. So that's it for the video, and stay tuned to the channel by subscribing to the channel.